This is the quick all you need to know review of MORAKNIV Garberg. As a Swede growing up in the woods, I know a lot about this Swedish brand. And when I needed a knife for hiking and for going out in the woods, there was no question on which brand I was going to go to. I decided to get this high quality knife for a few reasons. First of all, I prefer a fixed blade that goes all the way through the handle. This is a carbon steel blade, so it's super high quality and very durable, with a very thick blade. I bought a different holster from MORAKNIV than the one it comes with the survival kit, because I prefer a classical leather holster. The overall length of the knife is 22.9 millimeters, or 9 inches. I think this is a perfect size for bringing out in the woods when you're camping or hiking. This is the most robust MORAKNIV model, and the handle gives a really good grip. The fixed blade is stainless steel. It is quite heavy, but in a good way, because a good knife should have some weight to it. As you can see, I've been treating the blade pretty roughly, and it still works amazingly. I think it's easy to sharpen with a regular sharpening stone or a knife sharpener. If you, like me, also like leather holsters, I could recommend this one from the same brand. Overall, a really great knife.